So let's just talk about wild pointers. So the wild pointers are basically uninitialized pointer, and these pointers do not point to any valid memory location. Now if we try to dereference such a pointer that can access any arbitrary memory location, because of this we can have unpredictable behavior. So the output can be anything which may not be predictable, and also this can cause crash of the program, and also we can have segmentation faults. So suppose we are creating one pointer, so integer pointer ptr. Now while declaring the pointer, if we do not initialize this can point to any arbitrary memory location. Now after this, if we try to access value of the pointer, so if we dereference the pointer, now the pointer can contain any garbage value. So here you can see the value of the pointer is this, so this is the garbage value. So because of this, if we try to code with this pointer, we can have unpredictable output, because the dereferencing can access any undefined memory location, which can lead to segmentation fault, and also this can crash our program. So the wild pointers are very dangerous, because first of all, the wild pointers can overwrite critical memory locations, and secondly, because the wild pointers can point to any random memory location, so if we try to access that, this can crash our program. So here you can see we are accessing some random garbage value. In other cases, this can also crash our program. Now there are certain steps that we can take to avoid these wild pointers. So to avoid the wild pointer, so first of all, we can manually initialize the pointer while we are declaring our pointer. So like an example here, while declaring the pointer, here also we can initialize the pointer. So here we can initialize with address of one variable. So suppose we have one variable a with the value. Now we can initialize the pointer with the address of the variable. So now the pointer will not point to any random location. So you can see we are accessing the value of our pointer. Now also we can use the malloc or calloc to dynamically allocate the memory. Use the malloc and we can allocate memory, and we can assign the address to our pointer. And also in a case where we do not have any address that we wanted to store in the pointer, so in that case we can use the null. So this null will avoid accessing arbitrary memory location. So here suppose we do not have any address to point to, so in that case we can initialize with null. And then of course we have to check if the pointer not equal null. So when the pointer is not null, then we can access the value of this pointer. And also suppose we are allocating the memory using the malloc, and then we have performed some operation, and after that, just to prevent the memory leak, we have to use the free, and we can free the memory that is allocated. So after freeing up the memory, we have to reinitialize the pointer, and we can assign null just to make sure that the pointer is not pointing to uninitialized memory location. So these are the simple steps that we can take to avoid any wild pointers. So hope you understand about wild pointers. See you in the next one. Take care.